The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fairfield County, southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, central Pickaway County, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:10 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located 3 miles northwest of Circleville, moving north at 25 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Asheville. In addition, Fox, Stoutsville, W. Marriott State Park, Wville, East Ringgold, South Bloomfield, State Route 674, State Route 188, and Commercial Point are near the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media, when you can do